Ever found yourself scrambling for a meeting link, desperately trying to join a crucial call while on the go? Or perhaps you've missed an important client message because you were away from your desk. In today's hyper-connected world, staying in touch with your team and clients is absolutely vital, no matter where you are. But how do you bridge that gap between your office and your life on the move? How do you ensure you're always accessible without being chained to your desk? That's the question we're tackling today. We're diving into the world of seamless communication and collaboration, specifically, how to harness the power of the 8x8 Work app. This isn't just another communication tool. It's a comprehensive platform designed to streamline your workflow, boost productivity, and keep you connected, all from the palm of your hand. Think about it. We live in a world where flexibility is key. Remote work, hybrid models, and on-the-go professionals are the new normal. So how do you adapt? How do you empower your team to collaborate effectively, regardless of their location? Traditionally, you might rely on separate apps for calling, messaging, and video conferencing. But juggling multiple platforms can be chaotic, leading to missed messages, scheduling conflicts, and general frustration. That's where 8x8 Work comes in. It's a unified communication solution that brings all these essential features together in one intuitive app. Imagine having your business phone system, instant messaging, and video conferencing all accessible with a few taps on your smartphone. No more switching between apps, no more missed calls, and no more frantic searches for meeting links. But before we get into the nitty-gritty of using the app, let's start with the basics: downloading and installing it. Whether you're a seasoned tech wizard or someone who's a little less comfortable with new apps, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First things first, you'll need a compatible device. 8x8 Work is available for both iOS and Android platforms, so whether you're an iPhone enthusiast or an Android aficionado, you're covered. Let's begin with iOS. If you're using an iPhone or iPad, head over to the App Store. You'll find the App Store icon on your home screen. It's the blue icon with the white S symbol. Once you're in the App Store, tap the search bar at the bottom of the screen and type in 8x8 Work. You'll see the app appear in the search results. Look for the official 8x8 Work app, which should have the 8x8 logo. Tap on it and you'll be taken to the app's download page. Here, you'll see a button that says, Get. Tap that button and the download process will begin. You might be prompted to authenticate with your Apple ID using Face ID, Touch ID, or your password. Once authenticated, the app will start downloading and installing on your device. Now, let's switch gears to Android. If you're using an Android device, you'll need to go to the Google Play Store. The Play Store icon is typically found on your home screen or in your app drawer. It's the multicolored triangle symbol. Tap on it to open the Play Store. Similar to the App Store, you'll find a search bar at the top of the screen. Tap on it and type in 8x8 Work. Again, you'll see the app appear in the search results. Make sure to select the official 8x8 Work app. Tap on it and you'll be taken to the app's download page. On the download page, you'll see a green button that says Install. Tap that button and the download and installation process will begin. You might be prompted to grant certain permissions to the app, such as access to your microphone and camera. These permissions are necessary for the app to function correctly. Once the installation is complete, the app icon will appear on your home screen or in your app drawer. Now that you've downloaded and installed the 8x8 Work app, it's time to launch it. Tap on the app icon, and you'll be greeted with the app's welcome screen. Here, you'll need to log in with your 8x8 Work credentials. If you're a new user, you might need to go through a setup process, which typically involves entering your company's domain or account information. If you are a user that has been given login credentials, use those credentials to log in. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the app's main interface. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll likely see tabs or icons for calling, messaging, video conferencing, and other features. Let's talk about some of the key features that make 8x8 Work so powerful. The calling feature allows you to make and receive business calls using your smartphone, as if you were at your desk. You can access your company's phone directory, place calls to internal and external numbers, and even transfer calls to other team members. The messaging feature allows you to send instant messages to your colleagues. You can create group chats, share files, and collaborate in real time. This is especially useful for quick updates, team discussions, and project coordination. The video conferencing feature allows you to host and join virtual meetings. You can share your screen, collaborate on documents, and engage with your team face-to-face, even when you're miles apart. Beyond these core features, 8x8 Work also offers a range of other tools to enhance your productivity. You can access your voicemail, manage your contacts, and even integrate with other business applications. Now, some of you might be wondering about security. In today's digital landscape, security is paramount. 8x8 Work employs robust security measures to protect your data and ensure your privacy. The app uses encryption to secure your communications, and it complies with industry standards and regulations. Let's address a few common questions that people have about downloading and using the 8x8 Work app. First, is it free? The app itself is free to download, but you'll need an 8x8 Work account to use its features. If your company uses 8x8 Work, your administrator will provide you with the necessary credentials. Second, how much data does the app use? The data usage will vary depending on how you use the app. Calling and video conferencing will consume more data than messaging. If you're concerned about data usage, it's best to connect to Wi-Fi whenever possible. Third, what if I encounter issues during the download or installation process? If you encounter any problems, check your internet connection and ensure that your device meets the minimum system requirements. You can also consult the 8x8 support website or contact your company's IT department for assistance. By now, you should have a good understanding of how to download and install the 8x8 Work app. It's a simple process that can significantly improve your communication and collaboration capabilities. And remember, this is just the beginning. 8x8 Work offers a wealth of features and tools to help you stay connected and productive. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.